Hi children. So today we are going to continue with the chapter 5, exercise 3. So under multiples and factors we are going to see how to find the common multiples. So for the example I have took a sum, that is list the first 10 multiples of number 2 and 5. Find the common multiples. So in the previous first and second exercise previous video I taught you how to find the multiples of any number. So there I have took the example of 2 and I am going to show you here how to find the multiples of two numbers, that which is 2 and 5, and then after finding the multiples of this number 2 and 5 we are going to find the common multiples. So here I have told you we can find uncountable number of multiples for any number. So that the question is being asked for us is to find the first 10 multiples alone. Okay, more than 10 we don't want to find. So we are going to start with the multiples of 2. The first number is 2, so I have written multiples of 2. So here I'm not going to show elaborately like 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So directly I'm going to write only the multiples. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have found the 10 multiples of 2. Okay. So then we are going to move to the next multiples of 5. So why I am taking 5? In the question it is been asked 5. So first 10 multiples of 5 we are going to write. Like 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, and 9s are is 45, 10s are is 50. So here also we have found the first 10 multiples of 5. So next we have to find, after finding the 10 multiples of number 2 and 5, we are asked to find the common multiples. So common multiples of 2 and 5. Okay. So here we are going to find the common multiples of this number 2 and 5. So common multiples means nothing. It's like you have to compare the multiples of 2 and multiples of 5. So whichever multiples are equal, that is equal in the sense common in number 2, common in number 5. So if you see, just compare which number is common. 2, here it is not there. 4, it is not here. 6, no. 8, no. 10. So if you see 10, if you take 10, in 2 table also we have 10, and in 5 table also we have 10. That is table in the sense multiple of 2 and multiple of 5. So this 10 is a common multiple of this number 2 and 5. And then 12, no. 14, no. 16, no. 18, no. 20, yes. So if you take 20, in 2 multiples of 2 also we will get 20, and multiples of 5 also we will get 20. So after that we don't have any other number. So obviously we don't want to compare with the other rest of the multiples of 5, because there is no number. If you take 25, can we able to see 25 here? No. So here right now till first 10 multiples we have found two common multiples, which are there 10 and 20. So the common multiple of number 2 and 5 is 10 and 20. So this is how we have to find the multiples of any two numbers. Okay, so I'll just show you one more sum. List the first 5 multiples of 3 and 5, and then we have to find the common multiples of this 3 and 5. So here if you take first 5 multiples only, they have asked us to find. So multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 5 multiples we have to find. We don't want to find more than 5 multiples, because they have specifically mentioned first 5 multiples. So if you see in the first sum, it is been mentioned first 10 multiples. So here it is first 5 multiples. So then multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 3s are is 15, 4s are is 20, 5s are is 25. So now then after finding the multiples, 5 multiples, common multiples of 3 and 5. So now you have to compare. 3, there is 3, no. 6, no. 9, no. 12, no. 15, yes. See, if you take 15 alone is common in first 5 multiples of number 3 and 5. Okay. See, if you find more than 5, and if you compare, even we will get more common multiples. Since we are asked to find only first 5 multiples, among that first 5 multiples we have only one common multiple, which is 15. Understood? So hope you have understood of how to find the multiples of any first 5 or 8 or 10 multiples of any number, and how to find the common multiples of any two numbers. So hope you have understood, children. Thank you.